Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this like trending overlay on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video. I'm also going to select this frame ratio as well, and I'm just going to adjust the size, freeze frame it so you can extend it, and you're also going to do the same with the black stock video. Again, scale it. Then simply just go to the video here, go to mask and select split. You're going to split it either this way or that way. Actually, you're going to just split it this way. Make the black as low as possible and feather it out as much as you can. You can bring it up if you'd like to, but you will have this harsh line. If you don't want to, just move it downwards a little bit, but if you want to have it even a little bit more upwards, I don't know if I'm making sense, but usually it looks just like this, like the black overlay isn't up that much. If you want to, you can also copy and paste it to make it look like this, and you can kind of mesh it well a little bit more. I'm just going to right click and create compound clip to make it an overlay, and I'm just going to overlay it on a video. Let's see, this one, and then go to blend mode and select overlay, and you'll have this trending overlay. You can obviously adjust the opacity if you'd like to, but that is it. That's how you can create this trending overlay on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!